up guys? Today I'm giving you a tour of my design food, well designed from me, the volcano of vegetables.
And I also eat in my design.
It's called the abandoned ship. His name is his design is the abandoned ship. You can go look at this.
But
The abandoned ship, what happened to your food?
It got eaten.
because I eat it already.
Okay, so
Okay,
tomorrow
this one.
you're going to design your own food.
Yes. Okay guys, this one. We're gonna take a closer look. I'm gonna dig in. You're wondering what is the covering here? I just cover the wrap. You can see it's just a bunch of vegetables. When you get out there, you can see there's a hole going in with meat. So you start
Okay,
digging in.
so what do you call that?
Volcano vegetables.
Volcano vegetables. So let's see, what kind of vegetables do you have?
Carrots.
Carrots. What else?
Also, there's a sandwich here.
Pechay. Do you have
Sandwich?
peanut?
Huh?
Do you have peanut?
I'm gonna slice these things.
So right now, you eat all what you have designed. So that's a challenge, right? And baby, very good. Look what, he's already eating his green vegetables. Great job. So they design their own food. We put all the food there in the table and also the vegetables, and then they design their own food, so that the challenge is to eat their own designed food with
Actually, before
vegetables.
we used to waste our food a lot actually.
Yeah, so right now,
But when we started when we started eating like this, a lot has changed.
okay, very good. Why?
Because before I don't really like vegetables. I actually hated them.
Yeah, so right now, why do you love vegetables?
I only eat my
Okay, later. How about you? Why do you love vegetables now?
because now it's I learned about a bit of vegetables, and I learned that before, did you know I hated broccoli? Now I love broccoli. So right now I told my mother to buy broccoli tomorrow.
Okay. Because we have a challenge. Eat your own design food with vegetables.
Meat.
Meat.
Don't forget.
Yeah, with meat. And this guy has already broken his design food. So what's the name of your design food, Siam?
Volcano of vegetables.
Volcano vegetables. Okay, you say bye now.
Bye guys. We'll show you tomorrow how we make our designs. Bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell us what kind of design we're going to choose tomorrow. And don't forget in the notifications.
Okay.
Like and subscribe.